Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to translate in Google Sheets. So it is very simple. I have these 4 English words, and let's say we want to translate them into German. So what would I do is to click on the cell where I want the translation to happen, then type in equals Google Translate, then give it a brackets. Then simply in the brackets, select the cell that you want to translate, then type in comma and quotation marks. In the quotation mark, select the language that you want to translate from. So in this instance, it is English, so type in N, and then simply type in comma and then quotation marks, and in them just type the language that you want to translate it to. So it's German, so it is a shortcut the DE. Then simply press enter. Now it will loading, and as you can see, Hund. Now I can drag it down and translate all of this. You can also select different languages. Just type here some different language shortcut. You can find the shortcuts on the internet. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.